Legend says the man who discovered this number was drowned at sea. Why? Because he found a glitch in mathematics. He proved that the square root of 2 cannot be written as a fraction. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this proof works, and trust me, your mind will be blown. To prove it, we play a game. We assume the opposite is true. We assume the square root of 2 is a simple fraction. Let's call it a over b, where a and b are whole numbers. Now, this is the most important rule. We assume this fraction is fully simplified, meaning a and b share no common factors. We have already divided them down as far as they can go. They cannot be reduced any further. Remember this rule, it's the key to everything. Now, let's do some algebra. We want to get rid of that square root. So we square both sides of the equation. When we square the square root of 2, we get just 2. And when we square a over b, we get a squared over b squared.
Now let's rearrange it. Multiply both sides by b squared. The b squareds on the right cancel out, and we're left with 2b squared equals a squared. Look closely at this equation. This is our first clue.
The left side is 2 times something. That is 2 times b squared. In math, anything multiplied by 2 is even. Since the left side is even, and the left side equals the right side, then the right side, a squared, must also be even. And here's a crucial fact. You can only get an even square if the original number itself is even. Why? Because odd times odd is odd. So if a squared is even, then a must be even. This is our first discovery. Since a is even, we can write it as 2 times some other number. Let's call that other number k, so a equals to k. Now take this new definition of a and plug it back into our equation. We had 2, b squared equals a squared. Now we replace a with 2k. Expand the brackets. 2k squared becomes 2 squared times k squared, which is for k squared. Now divide both sides by 2. We get b squared equals to k squared. This is our new equation, and it's about to reveal something shocking.
Look at this new equation. Now the right side is 2 times something. 2 times k squared. That means the right side is even. So the left side, b squared, must be even. And just like before, if b squared is even, then b itself must be even. This is our second discovery. Stop and look at what we found. We proved a is even. We proved b is even. If they are both even, that means they can both be divided by 2. The fraction can be simplified further, but wait. To the very start, we made a rule. The fraction is fully simplified. A and b share no common factors. It is impossible for a fraction to be fully simplified and divisible by 2 at the same time. We've hit a logical brick wall. The math has broken. We've hit a logical brick wall. The only thing that could be wrong is our very first assumption. The square root of 2 cannot be written as a fraction. The square root of 2 is irrational. It cannot be expressed as a fraction of 2 whole numbers, and that is how you break math. If you enjoyed this proof, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending mathematics.